Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce a software that can help you manage unlimited YouTube accounts, increase the number of videos you can upload, and boost engagement on your videos. As you can see on the screen, I'm managing multiple accounts, and each account is using a different proxy. To increase views and engagement for a video, we go to the settings function. In this section, you'll see options for videos, live streams, or up top comments. In the video section, I have YouTube video seating and YouTube short seating. Choose one, then paste the YouTube link you want to increase views and engagement for. The software can like the video, subscribe to the channel, and even post comments. You can also type the comment content directly here to make it look more natural and increase the credibility of the video. After that, select the accounts you want to use for seating. Go to the channels list, choose the channels, and just run it. The software will open multiple tabs so you can see the action progress in real time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video to give me more motivation to make more content. Thank you.